searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless. A sea of the aimless. I don't want to be one of the nameless.
Another day at the shop talking about repairs, replacements, trying to make this place look good. So this building is 30 to 40 years old. No one really knows when the actual date was that it was built or completed. So we're just going off of the stories that people locally are telling us in the community, what the building used to be, who's owned it in the past, what all different places it has been. So as you see, it's in pretty rough shape. The trim is red, the outside exterior is white, and then the roof is like a white color. But it leaks, it has holes, all the insulation on the underneath has birds living in it. It looks like rats have been in it before. It's really gross and it really needs to be replaced.
This is going to be powder coat.
All right, you guys, here I am trying to get all that powder coat residue off the back building. It took forever. I tried super clean, I tried mean green, I tried just bleach and water, I tried Tide water, I tried everything. I scrubbed for days, and I mean little bitty sections like 2 to 3 foot by about 4 or 5 foot. I tried letting it soak. If you let it soak too long, then it dries up and it turns like little bubbles, turn like little brown circles, and it dries up on there because it was still 100 degrees every day when I was doing this. The Tide didn't work, the mean green didn't work. Now the super clean in a spray bottle, if you put it on and let it sit for 2 minutes and then rubbed it with a brush, it would actually come off, and that's going to be on the R panel that you see on both sides of this garage door. The garage door came off wonderfully. We did spray it with super clean and let it sit for just a minute. Some parts came off better than others because it started to dry again on it. But as you see, I was able to get all the black powder coat off. It looked fabulous. All of this are pictures of the back shop. It was cut, chopped pieces of steel, piled up for years and years, never swept, never cleaned. The piles were so large, the dusty, rusty pieces were so big that they had actually formed into hard mounds that you couldn't even chip off the cement floor because of a solid rust mound. I mean, this room is so gross. We were able to find somebody that came out and he does all like the scrap metal and he removes appliances and takes them for scrap. So thank goodness we found him on Craigslist. He came, he cleaned up all of this scrap and took it out. So now we just need to clean it up. There was lots of stuff on the inside shop too, like old refrigerators that were like gross, didn't work, been sitting there for 20 years, that we were so lucky that the old owner just left for us to dispose of. That's just one of many things that we had to take care of. But we've got it cleaned up and now it's time to powder wash.
dreaming on in my head like I've seen it. A life worth living is a life with meaning. I'll do what I love till my heart stops beating. I'm feeding this demon. Got a taste, can't erase bitterness in my face. Work a job every day till your dreams fade away. Like a card, never change, play the game that we say. I need a break. I'm staying strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on.
Almost done sweeping, and then start power washing. So we're able to sweep most of the sit up, or metal or powder coating, or whatever you want to call it. Taking it to the dumpster. Except this is hard, isn't it? You need to get a shovel to scoop it up because it's all hard and compounded.
Face on when I chase like that, yeah, I play so strong with a knife in the back. I'ma swing home run like a baseball bat. Gonna see me rise, you can hate on that. I don't play both sides, doing me no cap. I'ma ride or die for my dreams on tap. I'ma fly real high, you ain't see me slack. No, it's not how you fall, it's how you get right back up. That's how you get tough. Calluses on my hands so rough, yeah, I call your bluff. I'm not the one, mess with me and come out with none. Cause I'm so done, you had your fun. And now you're gonna face down the barrel of the gun. Cause I got a full clip with your name on it. But I'ma let you slide, you hang with it. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming on. Time to stay strong, need to move on to be what I want. I'll keep dreaming.